Game na. Hello guys. Nga pala si Krista. Maglalaro tayo ng The Yellow Baby. Ito pala siya. Kala ko ba yellow? Kala ko ba yellow yung baby? Yellow ka ba? Kala ko ba yellow yung baby? Hehe. That bottle from fridge. Ito. Hehehe, gini ya. Guys, alam ko na itong laro na to. Okay, pero first time ko pala laruin to. Alam ko na kung saan nila pinagpupunta-punta tong baby na to. Uy! Ano na? Ayan. Papanood ko po kasi ito sa mga YouTubers o something. Ako nagbabasa para sa inyo. Across the short in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until the cat jumped on the bed. I found a secret garden, said the cat. With much delight, excitedly, they ran outside to explore the night. They walked through the golden garden gate. Look at the pretty trees, sabi ng prinsipe. They walk along the pretty pebble path. Look at the colorful flowers. They walk past the fabulous flowering fountain. Look at dancing water. Look. But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the gates, and pulled up all the leaves. He round everything for fun. The cat watched in fear. What a mistake I made! The cat cried out. I should never brought him here. Cat said. Ang pangit talaga. Ang pangit mo talaga, baby. Buksan niyo to. Ang gagawin ko dito? Ito.
Snow. A curiosity in July, following such a sweet spring. It started when I took this job, but I was not the first. They are with me. Night fell the first day, and the hours dragged on. Still we cared for the child. We spoke of Hastur and Casilda in their absence, while outside the fog rolled in as the cloud waves roll and break on the walls. Oh, the sin of such innocent eyes. Clear as crystal, understood by the ignorant and wise alike, more precious than jewels, more soothing than music, more awful than death. Then, as I fell, I knew that the baby in yellow had opened their tattered mantle, and there was only God to cry to now.
Ito kainin. Ano ba? Bruh. Ayan. Yan. Good. Ito. Siyempre, lutuin muna natin bago natin kainin. Shoot. De on nga. Bruh. Uy. My delicious. Bruh. Tapos, oh no! Ah. Wala nga din. Nag-ano na lang ako dito. Decorate ng Pasko. Wow, wala naman ginagawa sa Pasko. Nakulong naman ako ah. Yun. Brr. Ayan o, okay. Ang pang... Ay, ganda pala. Ang ganda. Wait for parents watch TV on the phone. Sana wait ng pang sila. Ito, may makuha. Hi! So guys, para tumatagal-tagal na ng video natin ha. Mga 8 minutes ko lang kasi kailangan ano ito. Kasi nalolobat yung cellphone namin kapag mga na tagal-tagal. Sige. Tatapusin ko na siguro ngayon yung video na to. Tsaka mag-iwan na lang po pala kayo ng likes dyan. Appreciate ko naman po yan. Subscribe na lang. Subscribe na lang din po kayo. Kaya, sige. Bye-bye. See ya to my next video. Have a nice day everyone. See ya. Bye.